Assalamualaikum and a very good evening everyone. So as usual, I will share my weekly analysis in the Forex weekly analysis segment. Okay, so if we look at our trade on Euro/F, okay, price went from here up to here, but if you can see, price still hasn't touched our zone, okay, and if we look in a bigger scale, okay, we already profit about 66 pips, okay, because currently what I see is price maybe gonna go up again due to the price action. It's coming up slow and it's also going down slow, and I might also can give an entry zone for buy also. Is this too big? Okay, only 20 pips. Okay, maybe we can trade zone to zone. Okay, this is a trade zone to zone. Okay, so we can hit our take profit inside the blue zone, and we can also make a long position or buy position from this blue zone up to here. So that's about 70 pips. Okay, so for now we just wait for an entry inside this zone as well as a take profit. Okay, so that's it for Euro/F. Now let's look at USD CHF. Okay, so price missed our take profit about 5 pips before it's fly 100 pips. Okay, so whoever does not close their position, okay, some of my position I closed and some of it were hit by break even, but do not be sad if you are hit by break even. Okay, that is the norm in trading. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you profit, sometimes it's better to profit in a small amount than losing your money. Okay, so what I see is price can approach this channel, okay, this trend line. So price can go up to this zone. Okay, so let's wait inside that zone again. Okay, we have wait inside this zone previously, so we will go back up to here. Okay, so maybe we can target our TP or take profit up to this RBS. Okay, let's look at H4 if we can have a buy. Let's see, is it too risky? It's quite risky because this zone itself is a good zone because price previously has pushed price here. So the best thing to do is just to wait for price to go inside this zone. Okay, if you want a smaller risk, you can use this zone. Okay, this green box. Okay, and let it go up to here and went down here. Okay, so this is the analysis for USD CHF, and why am I very love selling this pair, because it's already broken this compression or this channel, and I am expecting for it to keep on going down and making a wave. Alright, so that's it for USD CHF. Let's look at NZD/JPY. Okay, this pair is quite sad. Okay, because after we hit our stop loss, okay, previously our trade is over here. Okay, we assume price from here, we just go down. Okay, but what happened? Price just went down about 10 pips before it went up 40 pips, hitting our stop loss, and then it go down 60 pips to our take profit zone. So that's too bad for NZD/JPY, and right now it's making a sideways. Okay, so before we want to have any position for us to be able to trade, okay, we need price to break first, break this level first before we can have a sell trade. Okay, so for a buy, you can also take a buy, but it will be quite risky. Okay, so I will delete this. So for NZD/JPY, you just need to wait for price action. So the price action that you need to wait is if it's break this one, you can trade on the pullback in this gray box. But if it succeed to go up, okay, and do a resistance become support, then you can enter on that price action up to here. Okay, so the best thing to do on NZDJPY is to wait, okay, because it is still living inside a channel. It can still go up due to the trend, but anyhow, I will stay out of it. Alright, so that is my conclusion for NZDJPY. So let's look at GBP NZD. Okay, so GBP NZD, it has given us a touch trade. If you see right here, let's zoom in. Okay, so this trade got trigger and float about. Let's go on H4 if we can see how many the float is. Okay. So this one I am quite busy this week, so I did not update the trades that I have taken, and this one already hit my take profit about 230 pips. I hope you can also get this one. Okay, so even though the risk is 100 pips, but the trades only float less than 1 pips before it went up. Okay, so this is quite a good trade, but when you get a sniper entry or zero float entry like this is not a confirmation that you can get the same result in the future. Sometimes you will also float, sometimes you can get the zero float. So never use never risk over expose your account to risk just because you have one successful zero float. Okay, so this one is not a guarantee you can get a touch trade. Okay, but this is a lucky one. Okay, because we still need to measure our risk zone. Okay, so this one is very good because it's take profit, and we can hold the position because GBP NZD yes, GBP NZD. Okay, right here. Okay, GBP NZD is looking, I am looking at it that it want to go up. Okay, because you can see it is forming a bull flag. Okay, if we get lucky, it can go another one like that, just up to this zone. Okay, just maybe. Okay, you can see the pattern: pole, back, pole, flat, pole. Okay, so this is the pattern that I am waiting on GBP NZD. Okay, so whoever got this trade, you can break even, and if it come again, you can enter again. Alright, so that's it. Let's look on Euro USD. Okay, it's failed to go to our zone on the daily zone. Okay, but it reached our intraday and turned into a swing. Okay, it swing about 140 pips, even though we only target about 30 pips. Okay, so whoever break even and let it run should be in a lot of profit. Okay, so for Euro USD, nothing much I can say, and this one need to be clear. Okay, maybe price can still go up and make a wave until all of this is clear. Maybe you can go up to this zone, but anyhow, you need to wait for it to break this zone, pull back, and went up here. Okay, it's a simple break and pull back. If you can see, this is an example of a break and pull back. Okay, what I am asking you to wait is waiting for a zone to be broken, waiting for a pullback, and waiting for it to go from zone to zone, waiting for a breakout, and waiting for a pullback. It is as simple as that. And if you have losses, be friend with your losses. Do not go searching for perfection. You just do your things. You just trade. Okay, so let's look on GBP CHF. Okay, price still in a consolidation. Okay, still in a sideways. So as long as this blue zone is not broken, I am not gonna close my position because I am still expecting for price to go up here. Okay, maybe you can go inside this zone and went up there. Okay, and it can also can break, because if you see this this price is forming a compression, so we do not know whether you want to go up or down, but this is an uptrend, so I am assuming price will go up. Alright, so let's look at USD/JPY. So this is the losses in this week. Okay, we also have losses. Okay, so we lost about 35 pips on USD/JPY because it went up just straight after we have an instant, and we failed to make a position about we failed to make a profit about 75 pips. Okay, so for USD/JPY, where do we want to go? Okay, I do not want to analyze it because it still looks unclear for me, because I am still expecting for something to hit my trend line. Okay, maybe somewhere around here. The zone that already failed might be a good place for a reverse entry. Okay, let's see, let's draw a channel. Okay, if you can see a clear version of the trade. Okay, let's see. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am measuring the trend line. Okay, so maybe over here, so it will react somewhere over here. Okay, so this is the analysis for USD/JPY. I am assuming that it will play inside this channel. Alright, so that's it, and we have a new pair this week. Okay, an extra pair. This is an analysis by one of my students. Okay, so we can take this zone and we can assume price can go up to this zone. Okay, I am expecting price to go up to here for a continuous sell, but before that we can also take a position for buy inside this zone. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a new pair that we can discuss. Alright, okay, so the zone is about 24 pips and the profit is about 90 pips. Okay, reasonable risk and reward. Okay, so I think that's it for this week analysis. I hope you can get benefit from it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because it really means a lot for me for having a subscriber. Okay, because I am hoping that I can get the silver play button, even though my subscriber is just 6,000 follower. It's very far away from that, but it will give a lot of meaning if you can subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching. I hope you can get a lot of profit this week, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Bye.